direct leg quarters in this one. We got mushrooms going in there. We got beer bread going in there. I'm gonna put them all together in one video and show you why he is the grill master. So stick around, because this is gonna rock.
3 cups of flour, right? Self-rising. Yep. You taught me how to do this one, buddy.
You improved on that one by a huge amount.
Yeah.
And that's sugar, not salt.
That's the sugar. I'm gonna save some of these. Actually, I'm saving them for the top. This is that Jimmy Dean's.
Okay.
And it's zesty, but it isn't real hot. I tried it after I cooked it up. These are jalapenos, all the veins out and seeds out. Okay, and some of those, what do you call them, Mark? You know,
Those banana peppers?
Banana peppers. And I'm also saving a little bit of the cheese. I'm gonna top it.
Okay.
And let it caramelize a little bit. All right. Remember the first one you made?
Yes.
Where I saw you?
Remember the first one I made was salt instead of sugar. That was good for the deer.
You know, that was hilarious. That was a doggone clinic, Mark.
Ah, that was fun. Now you just put a whole beer in there with
One whole
3
beer.
cups and three tablespoons of sugar?
Yep, there's been times I've needed a little bit more beer, but this one looks like it'll be, I don't know. I might need a tad more. No, I'll be good.
That's perfect.
And you said just get this stuff incorporated and leave it alone, huh?
Yep.
That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm not gonna mix it any more than that. Rustic. Man, that makes you feel like a German, doesn't it?
It does.
Okay.
I like the sausage idea. That's a heck of a twist on this, man.
We're gonna try that and see. I wanted to top it with some cool stuff. A little bit of both.
That's gonna be artistic.
Yep. This should be good.
And those are banana peppers?
Those are banana peppers and those are jalapenos, but they're cleaned out. They shouldn't be hot at all. They're for looks.
I can't wait to see those cooked in there.
Okay, that, and I might wait about halfway in to put this on, okay?
Okay.
All right, bud.
And then what? Just throw it on the grill.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw it on here. It's at 350. I'm gonna turn this side off. This full.
Oh, you know what? This is a good idea. I'm glad you're
this
doing
on
this.
here.
Right on that pan to lift it up out of there.
Go time.
All right, close.
Okay.
Oh boy, does that look good, TJ.
Boy, oh boy.
That's bread?
That's beer bread.
Man, that looks good, TJ.
I'm just topping it with that and caramelizing that son of a bitch.
And this is just sitting at 350.
Yep. Okay.
All right, that is getting close, isn't
You know
it?
what? That's done.
Yes, sir.
That's done.
Look at how good that is. Jeez, TJ.
Yeah. Hopefully that comes out.
Yep, look at that, buddy. Oh, that smells good.
Let me flip that back.
Oh my God.
Man. That's serious business there. I hope this is good. That's got a little bit of that Jimmy Dean's in
It
there too.
cannot be good. You know? Pull a piece out of there like cornbread.
Okay.
Oh, perfect timing.
Yes, it is.
Right now.
Look, oh, steam coming out of
That's
there.
good.
Look at inside that beer bread. The peppers, banana peppers, sausage. Son of a bitch. They can't get any better than that, man. That is good stuff. I'm gonna throw this in there too. where you get a picture of these on the cedar plank, like that one crummy video I did. But this is how I learned how to do them. I can't take credit for anything.
Right?
Yep. And you're just doing them at rate of 350, right?
Yep. Those bad boys are gonna get some peach.
That's enough said there.
Yes, sir.
All right, those have been on for what? Almost 45 minutes, right?
Good 35 or 40.
Yeah.
You know
Sitting right at 350.
Couple times I've made those stuffed mushrooms. A winter.
Sausage, cheese, those things, man, you can't get any better than that. That is grade A. All right.
We're out here.
Okay. These have been on just about an hour, haven't they? And they darkened up nice.
Go, you